Now, a cone is very similar to a pyramid. Okay, a cone has a circle for the base. It has a curved lateral face. Oh, rhyming. Stop it. Alright, so you can write circle right there if you're all OCD and stuff and you don't like blank stuff. Circle. Okay, lateral area. How do I find the lateral area of this guy? Well, remember before it was 1/2 pyramid, or sorry, pyramid. 1/2 perimeter times the slant height? Well, this is essentially the same thing, except it's not perimeter. What's it called? Yeah, so you'd write a C, yeah? But then you also know the formula for a circumference. How do you find a circumference of a circle? Isn't it d pi? Yeah, you guys say 2 pi r, but that's like the saying 2 times r. Well, that's the same as d pi. Okay, that's going to be the circumference, and then you multiply it times L, and all is well. Okay, we got a bunch of formulas right here, and they're all essentially the same thing. Choose which one you like to remember. Okay, the surface area is going to be your lateral area, and then you're going to add to it the area of the base. But again, we know the area, or the formula for the area of the base for a circle, and it's important to note because it's different than the polygons. Okay, so how do I find, what's the formula for that? See, LA, how do you find the area of a circle? Yeah, pi r squared, or you can say r squared pi, it's up to you. Pi r squared is the same thing. Okay, now let's try it. Here it is, the last example. Let's find the lateral area first. LA. LA? Okay, let's see, that's going to be, what was it, 1/2 circumference times, I just like saying perimeter. I know what perimeter is of a circle. Okay, so it's 1/2. Do you guys know the circumference of this circle right here?
12 pi.
Yeah, you got to use the diameter. You know that the radius is 6, and so the diameter is going to be 12. So it's 12 pi. That's the circumference. That's the perimeter of the circle. And then we have to multiply it by what?
Slant height.
Slant height. Do we know what the slant height is? No. This is an L right here, guys. Yeah, that's supposed to be an L. So how are we going to find that L? Pythagoras. Pythagorean Theorem. The Pythagorean Theorem. Okay, here we go. That's 64. That's 36. We square those dudes, and then we got that. We add those foods together, we get a hundy, and we get all excited because we love hundies. Alright. Square root both sides. L equals 10. Oh, that's very nice. Very nice. So clean and pretty. Then we multiply stuff. What's 1/2 of 12?
6.
Yeah, it's 6 pi, and we have to multiply that by 10. And so I multiply those, I get 60 with the pi chilling at the end. That is your lateral area. Now let's find the surface area. To find the surface area, we're going to take the 60, and we're going to add the area of the base. What is the area of our base for this dude?
The radius squared. So
Radius squared. So we're going to go 36 pi, because 6 is our radius, and we're going to square that dude. When we square that dude, we get 36. When we get that, look, they're common terms. They're like terms. They both have a pi at the end of it, so you can say 96 pi, and you're done.